Here you can see this website sent me 0.006202 Litecoin. You can check out today's date in normal payment. So this website is 100% legit and paying. You can work on it through Termux. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my channel UBK Tech. I hope you are fine. So today I am bringing new earning website. You can earn Litecoin, Bitcoin, TRX, USDT and many other cryptocurrency via Termux, which you can get instant withdraw in your FastPay account. I will show you the all proof, live proof, and I will describe how you can run this website in Termux. Okay, so don't skip video, otherwise you can't understand and if you can get error. So let's move to our video. First off, you have required Kiwi browser. So now use Kiwi browser. I already told you, use Kiwi browser. You can download from Play Store because we will capture cookies through Kiwi browser. So don't skip video, don't do any mistake. That's why you can't understand. Okay, website link given description. You can directly go from this website and open website in this Kiwi browser. Okay, so here you can see the interface of this website. This website is Galaxy based. It show you its Galaxy theme. Okay, you can check out. It's not necessary to read out. Okay, so just click on create account. Here you can see the create a free account. Okay, by provide here, you can provide here your details, then just click on register. Okay, you can see its theme like a Galaxy. Okay, so just provide here your email address, your username, enter password, then confirm password. CAPTCHA v3 already solved, then just click on register. Your account will be created successful. After create account, just verify your email address. After verify email address, just log in your account. Okay, okay, here you can see the my earning 560 token, which I earned in just 1 hour through Termux. You can also earn unlimited tokens via Termux without any work. You don't have need to any energy or do anything. Just create account and run your script and enjoy your earning, which you can get instant withdraw. Okay, so here you can see the my earning. So I will show you the first payment proof, how you can get withdraw and what are the method. Then I will describe how you can run this website in Termux. Okay, so just click on more. Here you can see the many earning option like collect, metrise, auto collect, lucky wheel, anything there is the provided, but you don't have need to anything. We will just earn through auto collect. Okay, so now how you can get withdraw? Here is the withdrawal button. So just click on withdraw to get your tokens into in your wallet. Okay, here you can see withdrawal are provided in many currencies like Litecoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Tron, Dash, Ether TRC20 and Bitcoin, Solana and Coin. It's new, I think, I don't know. Okay, so all are will be get withdraw in FastPay. I think Bitcoin is not in FastPay. So now I will get withdraw into Litecoin. Select currency, just scroll down, put here total amount which you have available. You will receive. Here is the not showing. So let's check how much I received. Litecoin exchange of 560 tokens. Okay, just provide here your FastPay wallet email address. If you don't have FastPay account, link given description, you can directly go from there and create your FastPay wallet to get minimum and low withdrawals. Okay, so just click on wallet address, provide here your address, email address, FastPay, then just click on withdraw. So let's check and let's see. Okay, here you can see good job, 560 token has been sent to your account. So now it's time to check in my FastPay wallet. Okay, go to my FastPay wallet. Just reload my wallet to check out latest update. Okay, scroll down. Here you can see I have received 56 USD in exchange of 560 USDT tokens. Okay, so just scroll down, one payout is received. Here you can see this website sent me 0.006202 Litecoin. You can check out today's date in normal payment. So this website is 100% legit and paying. You can work on it through Termux. Okay, you can check out the payment proof. It's high paying website. not paying low amount, it's paying high. Okay, in front of you I have show you the live withdrawal and live payment proof. So now how you can run this website in Termux. Okay, we will run auto faucet in Termux, which is unlimited and non-stop. You can run 24/7 as well. Okay, so now how you can run this website in Termux. Okay, to run this website in Termux, you have required just script file link given description. You can directly go from there. In article you will see script button in red words, so just click on script will be downloaded easily. Okay, after downloading a script, open your any explorer apk which you use, then go to the download folder where you download your script file. Okay, here you can see script file in zip format. First off, you have need to unzip it, so press on script file, then click on more and click on extract. Now click on OK. Script file is successful. Open on the folder, then open again. Here you can see cfg.php, it's configure file, so just open it. You have need to put some data in this file, which is user agent and cookie. We will provide here cookies, and user agent will capture from or Kiwi browser. So how you can capture cookies from Kiwi browser? So you have required one extension which you have need to install, so which is provided in description. Okay, extension link given description, so you have need to click on link, you will redirect to this Kiwi browser, then just click on add to your browser. Okay, so just click on this menu bar. Here you can see the extension name. You can install manually through your Chrome extension in Kiwi browser or link given description. You can directly go from there. Just install your cookies master extension. Okay, here you can see it's already installed, so you have need to must install it, otherwise you can't capture cookies. Okay, it's installed. So now just reload your website. Okay, once you have need to reload your dashboard. Okay, wait for complete reload. Okay, here you can see reload is completed. Now just click on menu bar, three dots, and just click on cookies master. So just open it, it will be opened easily. Here you can see all cookies captured successfully. Now you don't have need to do anything, so just zoom in. Here you can see the flat copy. Okay, so just click on flat copy. Now all cookies captured successfully. Okay, just click on flat copy. Just in one click you will get cookies. Okay, so now go to the your browser, file manager, then just paste your cookies. Okay, paste it carefully within a commas. Okay, paste, then save. Now here we have required user agent, so you can copy user agent easily from anywhere from your browser. Okay, so just type my user agent. Okay, so search on Google my user agent, you will get your mobile user agent. Here you can see it's my user agent, so I will copy it. It's copied back to the file. Okay, so just paste it user agent, then save, click on save. Now go back, then again back, then long press on folder, then click on more and click on properties. Now click on copy full path. Okay, skip location copied successfully. Now go back and open Termux. So if you're a new user using Termux first time, install basic command first. Basic command provided on my Telegram channel, you can copy from there, or you can DM me on Instagram, I'll provide you there. Okay, if you don't know how to install basic commands and Termux initial setup, so video link given description, you can check out, fully guided in this video one by one. You can check out easily. After installing basic commands and setup, continue your process by following my method. Okay, cd space paste location, and just press enter, type ls, enter, then type php space bot.php, then just press enter. Okay, so now here you have required password. You can copy this link and short it in your browser, you will get password, or password link also given in description. You can directly go from there. In article you will see password button in red word, so just click on password, you will get your password, then copy it and paste here your password, then just press enter. Script will be stopped after giving password. Okay, then again type php space bot.php. Now it will be run smoothly. Okay, so now it will be redirect on YouTube to my channel. Okay, so if still you not subscribe to my channel, so must subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to all and complete 10k. Okay, our aim is 10k subscribers, so now you have need to complete it. I hope you will do it and fast. Okay, so must subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest update of earning website, earning apps and scripts as well. Okay, so subscribe it, then go back to the Termux. Okay, here you can see my account is connected, login as my email address and your balance. Okay, my balance is 0 token because I already got withdrawal. To show you the live proof, here you can see timer is started. It's 120 second. Every 120 second you will get 5 tokens which directly added in your account. So just wait for timer. Okay, when timer will be end, you will get reward which directly added in your account. Okay, here you can see timer is completed. Good job. You have received 5 tokens which has been added in your account. Here you can see I have received 5 tokens which directly added in my balance. So script is working smoothly and fast. So I hope you like my video. So if you want to watch more videos like this, Termux scripts, website reviews and earning app reviews as well, so subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to all for getting latest update. Also like video to motivate me, and Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Take care.